Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, androids, I don't know, aliens. I'm not picky. As long as you're watching this, I'm fine. I don't care. I don't care who you are. But anyway, welcome to Tech Hacks. Today, I'd like to start out by having you think of a scenario. So you know what? You're on vacation. You saved up your money. You're finally here on this beautiful desert island. You're soaking up the sun. You're going swimming. I don't know, you're resting in a hut, although I don't think I can fit in there. I'm too tall for that. Whatever. Something. Okay, good, I can. Anyway, you're resting in a hut, and you're like, you know what? I want to do some gaming, you know? But then you're like, oh no. I left my gaming laptop at home! How terrible is that? And all I got is this stupid tablet. It's a tablet. What am I going to play on this thing? Am I going to play, like, I don't know, Candy Crush? Am I going to play, new Roblox Building Simulator Tycoon 3020? I don't know. What are you going to play? Well, I have good news for you. Because you're going to be able to play all your PC games. And you're going to be able to do it well. Roll that intro. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this thing. But first, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So, what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a PC that can run the games you want to play, and you're going to need some form of mobile device. And other than that, all you need to do is have Steam installed, go to settings, remote play, and turn it on. And for the most part, you're good. All you need to do is pair the thing to your PC. I'll show you how to do that, and it's easy. It's easy. But first, we're gonna have to actually get to the tablet screen in my case, and we're gonna do it with magic. Okay, here we are actually on the tablet screen. That was magic, right? Right. Okay, anyway, so the first thing you're gonna do, go to Play Store. I already have it here, but what you should do is search up Steam Link, just like that. Click install. This should just take a second, so that means I have less cutting to do. Always good to have less cutting to do, because video editing is not fun a lot of the time. Installing. Now you click open. So here it should open up with a nice Steam logo. Get started. Pair a Steam controller. I have a Steam controller, so that's what I'm going to do. You could click pair other controllers. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to pair it like you would any other Bluetooth device. Like, do you know how to pair a controller? I don't, but I do know how to pair my controller. So that's what I'm going to do, actually. So it depends on your device, but let's pair a device, pair a new device. Steam controller. Pairing, it's good. Okay, so once you paired your controller or whatever, you can just go back to your Steam Link app. Now it'll scan for a computer running Steam. This is important. This is required. This is my PC right here. So then you got to go over to your computer and enter this PIN. It'll be a pop-up box. I'm going to go ahead and go over and do that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so sorry, I'm back. If you hear any noise, please don't mind. It's it's unavoidable in a household with children. Anyway, I'm back. I did that. Click start playing now if you want to. Should connect to Gregory's PC, which is mine. I'm Gregory, by the way. Makes sense, right? Can't connect. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's actually really odd. Okay, here we are. Sorry, just not working the first time. I don't even have to fix anything. Isn't that just great? Okay, so here we are. Steam Big Picture mode. You can see there's like near zero latency. Actually, I'm actually in the same house as my computer, so it's better that way. But you'll have to take my word on this. But I have tried it from about 30 miles away, and I still got basically no latency. So this thing is actually really great. Let's try a little bit of Unsung Warriors. Made with Unity. If you see that little thing pop up on the bottom right of the screen, that means you're getting bad internet for like just a second or two, or if it lasts longer. That's just something that happens sometimes, especially if you have Wi-Fi on both ends like I do. So just keep in mind, you can actually get better latency if you have better internet setup. Mine is for sure not the worst, but like, definitely not the best either. Let's make a new game, I think. I think this is a new game. I'm not actually sure. Yes. I'm sorry, this is an unskippable cutscene. I'll have to skip it for you in the video. Yay, more video editing. Okay, here we are in game. You're welcome. I just skipped that unskippable cutscene for you. Nice of me, right? Press A to jump, press X to attack. This game is not the main thing of it, but I just want to play it to show you that latency is not bad at all. Except for, it pops up now and then. It's annoying enough, but like in general, it is fine. I'm gonna tell you, you do not want to play anything. You may or may not be able to play shooters, but something like Geometry Dash is unplayable, like 100%. So yeah, but again, you could have better internet connection than mine and do better. I'm playing on a crappy like HD Fire or whatever. Hey, I know, just ahead you'll find an old crypt. My brother went inside to look for a treasure, but he hasn't returned yet. Yeah. But like for like 2D platformers like this or like Minecraft, I don't know, or something like that, this is perfect. This is perfectly doable. No problem. Zoom. Oh my gosh. My latency is going bad for a second there, but it happens. In fact, I'm having my friend who does not have a PC yet, although he has just ordered one, getting it for Christmas. He is actually playing through Portal 2 on my PC from his tablet. So yeah, that's neat, right? Anyway, this is just a little gameplay footage, just to give you an idea of what kind of latency you might be getting. Let's go into the crypt here. As you can see, it's definitely not the best, but it's also quite playable most of the time. By the way, I do recommend this game. It's free. It's Unsung Warriors Prologue. I'm really waiting for the actual Unsung Warriors game. But as you can see, this is playable for sure. Not best, but playable. But anything fast-paced like a shooter, you probably would not want to play it on this, to be honest, unless you have like a mega internet connection that I do not. But yeah, this is this. So I just want to give you a little idea of some of the other features. Of this. Okay, I don't know. This game is easy actually, but it's got a good storyline, so I recommend you play it. Just, it's free on Steam. And anyway, so that's that. That'll give you an idea of what kind of latency you're gonna get. I tried Geometry Dash before, and it was so okay. It was like literally unplayable. It was so slow. It just like felt slow. I don't know how to explain it. But I'm going to give you a little idea of some of the other things you can do with this. So just click Stop Remote Play. It'll kick you back to the app. So this is if you want to stop playing, obviously. So now go to streaming settings. This is very nice. This is actually very nice. So video, you can change it from balanced to beautiful to disabled to fast. Audio, stereo, mono, 7.1, whatever. Microphone is currently disabled. You can enable it, input enabled. But with the correct combination of these settings, what's really amazing about it is you can turn it from anything to like video streaming to just audio streaming to literally just using it as a controller to even using it as an external mic. It's actually really nice. But yeah, anyway, that's that. Let's see. Oh yes, there's one more important function of this thing I did want to show you. Sorry if I don't have a script for this, honestly. So sorry if my not voice acting, but if I'm not talking all the time, or if I'm not doing it, if I'm just repeating things, because I have no script here. This is basically just off of the top of my head with a couple guides to myself. But anyway, here's another nice thing you can do with this. So minimize big picture. This is my desktop. You can control the mouse with this. Badoo. You can just use your desktop like you normally would. So here's my left screen, here's my right screen, so that works perfectly fine. And there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so go back to Steam by going back to Steam. I'm sorry. Stop remote play. Now, what if you don't have a controller? What if you just don't have one? But you still want to use this app because it's awesome. Well, fear not. I'm just going to turn off my controller right now. It'll take a second. Okay. Touch controllers. You can use touch controls. How awesome is that? So these will show up on your screen. Just like this. Well, you'll be able to see them in a second once I actually get to my PC. It's taking a bit, but anyway, so touch controls. You can use them to get around here. Games, you can customize your touch controls just like you would controller controls and Steam Input. It's actually really quite amazing. So I can just get around here. I mean, I even have customized controls for my desktop, though I won't show you that now. But anyway, I got one announcement to make. Not an announcement. It's a request. I don't care if you guys like or subscribe. I honestly don't. Do it if you want to. Do it if you think my content is good. But could you please comment? Comments are what keep me going. Without comments, I don't know what I would do. I would probably just assume nobody cared about my channel and just leave, and you wouldn't get any more videos like this. And how sad would that be, right? Very sad. I hope it's very sad. I really do. But anyway, it's been nice having you here. I hope this video is both enjoyable and useful to you. I'll see you later. We're gonna try to catch up to Linus Tech Tips and subscribers. So if that would be possible, then that would be nice. Anyway, goodbye. See you later. Hope you have a great day. Okay. Actually, you know how I said goodbye? Well, I forgot something. This is good though. This is a good thing. It's a good thing that you're hearing this. Okay, so you know what? What if you don't want to use a mobile device? What if you have like a tablet or even a desktop somewhere else that you want to stream from your PC to? Well, guess what? What you're gonna do is all you have to do is go to the game you want to stream. See this little check mark right here? Not check mark, down arrow thing right here. Well, all you gotta do, click on it, go to the name. Oh, sorry, did I mention you have to be signed into the same Steam account on both computers? And if you are, click on there, go to the name of your other computer, and you can just click stream instead of play. It's as easy as that. Really easy. So, with that, I think I can say goodbye for real. See you next video, whenever that will be. I hope it's soon. I really hope it's soon. I know there's a big delay on this one. Things happened. Life happened. I was lazy, okay? Well, anyway. Having said that, see you next time. Goodbye.